Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to fix a belt loop that has come undone. So you're just going to pull off some thread about the length of your arm or less, and you'll just cut it off like that. Now we are going to put the thread through this tiny hole in the needle. Probably the hardest part of the whole thing. We got it through the hole, and now you're just going to pull these ends until they meet at the bottom or almost meet like that. So we're going to sew from the inside of the jeans. So you'll take that belt loop and just place it back where it should be, just resting it right into that hole, and that's where we will sew it in place. So you'll take your threaded needle, and all we need to do is go through the denim of the jeans and then through this chunk of the belt loop. Put your needle through. Don't pull it all the way through, just almost all the way. But before it goes all the way through, you're going to go back through those same holes again. Through the jeans, through the belt loop, and then you put your needle through that loop of thread and pull it shut. And that makes a nice knot in the thread. So now we're knotted, and we're just going to keep doing this all around this square. So again, you're going through the belt loop, through the denim, and then putting your needle through that loop of thread and pulling it shut. And we're doing this all around the belt loop. And you want to go through the denim where it's nice and secure, not where it's frayed. So we'll move over to the other side, through the denim, through the belt loop, and go through that loop to really knot it. Okay, so we're almost running out of thread, so we're just going to do a couple more of those knots. And then all you have to do is cut off your thread and you should be good to go. So we'll cut it off like that. And when you flip the jeans right side out, you can see it's nice and sewn in place. And now we're just gonna do a couple more knots on this side of the fabric. So again, we will just take some thread, cut it off, put the thread through that hole in the needle. If it feels loose in any places like this, you're just gonna do more of those knots. Going in through the denim, out through the belt loop, pulling it almost through but not all the way. Before it goes through, you go back through those same holes again. When you pull that closed, it makes a loop of thread, and you just put your needle through the loop and pull it shut, making that nice knot. You'll just do as many of these knots as you want. The more you do, the more secure it is. And we'll go all along the bottom as well. Whew. Sometimes it's hard to get the needle through, but totally worth it. And we will call it done there. So you can cut your thread off. And now you see your belt loop is sewed back in place. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.